my respected teachers who teach the students here. I sometimes go through the newspapers and the news, the tremendous contribution towards the students of the school. The result of which the school is getting each and every year. I have heard that the students of the school is very disciplined and maintain. Dear students who are the future of this nation, I have seen in the board where concept, this idea, this thought that every citizen of our country has to know the preamble of the Constitution, equality and fraternity. Today we are crossing across a very difficult time, and tomorrow you are burdened with.
Do hereby and stand